Welcome to the Akeneo app for SAP Commerce Cloud. Today, we'll take a closer look at how Akeneo's integration with SAP Commerce Cloud helps businesses efficiently manage and enhance their product information. Whether you're streamlining enrichment workflows, ensuring data accuracy and consistency, or localizing content, this integration simplifies the process, empowering teams to deliver compelling product experiences. Let's start with an example. Meet Zigoff, a leading seller of sporting goods and equipment powered by SAP Commerce Cloud. Here we're browsing Zigoff's online store and we found the Ziggy Tour Featherweight hat. And it catches our interest. But as we look at the product details, we notice some opportunities for improvement. For example, this description is minimal, and there's no detailed sizing guide or additional imagery could help customers make a more informed purchase decision. Luckily, Zigoff uses Akeneo PIM to manage and enrich their product information, allowing them to make updates quickly and efficiently. Now that we've identified some improvements for our ZCap in our SAP Commerce Store, let's see how we can make some of those updates directly in Akeneo PIM. Here in Akeneo, we can quickly search for the same Ziggy golf cap and review its attributes. We can see that the product is centralized here along with all of its color variants. This is the power of Akeneo PIM. It centralizes all product data in one place, ensuring accuracy and consistency across all channels. To improve this product's visibility and appeal, let's enrich it by updating the description. Instead of writing it manually, we can use Akeneo's generative AI to help us out. We'll make this more descriptive. And we'll make this more descriptive. Actually, I want to make this a little bit shorter. Now, with just a few clicks, AI provides us with a compelling, customer-friendly product description. That looks super great. Now let's save our updates. Once saved, this enriched data needs to be activated on the right sales channels, including SAP Commerce Cloud. That's where the Akeneo app for SAP Commerce Cloud comes in. If we navigate to the connection settings really quickly, we can see the app's already configured, and we just need to move it over through the SAP system. Hopping over to SAP iPaaS platform, the integration suite within SAP B2B, we can see where the data is transformed, mapped, and scheduled before landing in SAP Commerce Cloud. Managing integrations between two complex systems like the PIM and e-commerce can often be costly and time-consuming. That's why Akeneo has pre-configured several common artifacts, reducing the total cost of ownership while still allowing businesses to customize configurations to fit their specific needs. Let's see how this works. First, we'll start with configuration. Within the global settings artifact, we can easily define key parameters for the integration. Here we see settings like source and target URLs, which ensures data is flowing between the correct PIM and the SAP Commerce Cloud environment. Our PIM channels, currencies, and languages, we can control what data is mapped and activated across the channels. Product catalog configurations, like syncing products, images, and categories efficiently. This makes it easy for businesses to fine-tune their integration without extensive development work, allowing them to work in the ways that make the most sense for their operations. Now, let's take a look at how we schedule or map data. We can come right down here and see, since Akeneo PIM and SAP Commerce have two different data models, this integration leverages ETL or extract, transform, and load capabilities to structure product data correctly. We can see the mapping of our SAP attributes over to the structure within Akeneo. We've pre-configured this, again, highlighting makes time to integration much faster. Finally, now that we have our configuration and our mapping set, we need to schedule the data syncs. In the process scheduler, we have a couple of different options. We can set up regular imports of all of our product data from Akeneo PIM to SAP Commerce Cloud, or we can leverage Delta imports, which fetch only the most recent changes, optimizing performance and ensuring data stays up to date without unnecessary processing. Let's go ahead and deploy our Delta change for the Ziggy Golf Cap. Now, let's move over to our Monitor tab. Right here within the integration suite, we can see that our process was completed just a second ago, meaning the product data has been transferred from the Akeneo PIM to SAP Integration Suite and into SAP Commerce Cloud. We'll take one last look at another system to see what it looks like in SAP Back Office. Quickly, we can navigate to our products within Back Office, which is Back Office is a powerful interface that allows businesses, users, and administrators to oversee key aspects of their e-commerce platform, including product data, orders, and customer information. It plays a critical role in governance, ensuring that product updates are reviewed and controlled before reaching customers. Let's navigate to that Ziggy Golf Cap. I can see I have two updates that need to be synced with our online catalog. I can see both of our catalogs are live, our staged environment, as well as our online environment. The stage environment is where updates are reviewed and approved, online being where the product data lives for access for our customers. Right now in staging, I can see a newly enriched product description that needs to be pushed over to our online environment. I'll go ahead and sync this. Perfect. Now, once that's done, it's going to go ahead and push to our SAP storefront. And perfect. There it is. Updated product description is now live for customers, helping to make a more compelling and engaging shopping experience. At Akeneo, we believe every product interaction should be an experience, guiding both consumers and professionals to the best purchase, anytime, anywhere. That's why we built Akeneo Product Cloud, a composable SaaS-based solution designed to orchestrate product data, activate it across owned and unowned channels, and optimize product experiences to drive engagement and conversion. By seamlessly integrating SAP Commerce Cloud and Akeneo, we ensure that product data flows efficiently from enrichment to activation, eliminating the chaos of disconnected systems and enabling businesses like Zigoff to deliver the best product experiences across every touch point. Thank you so much for watching.